To make sense of current credit card rates, it is essential to understand the factors that influence these rates and how they are calculated. The credit card rate, also known as the annual percentage rate or APR, is the interest rate charged on your credit card balance when you do not pay the full amount due. The first step is to check the current prime rate, which is the rate at which banks lend to their most creditworthy customers. This rate is set by the Federal Reserve and has a direct impact on credit card rates. Most credit cards have a variable rate, which is tied to the prime rate. The next step is to look at the credit card issuer's base rate, also known as the margin. This is the rate that the issuer adds to the prime rate to determine your credit card rate. The base rate varies depending on the issuer and the type of credit card. To calculate your credit card rate, you need to add the prime rate and the base rate. For example, if the prime rate is 6% and the base rate is 10%, your credit card rate would be 16%. It is also important to consider other factors that can affect your credit card rate, such as your credit score and payment history. If you have a good credit score and a history of making on-time payments, you may qualify for a lower credit card rate. In addition to the regular APR, some credit cards also have other rates, such as a promotional APR, a balance transfer APR, and a cash advance APR. The promotional APR is a low or 0% rate offered for a limited time, usually as an incentive to sign up for the card. The balance transfer APR is the rate charged when you transfer a balance from another credit card. And the cash advance APR is the rate charged when you use your credit card to get cash. To get the best credit card rate, it is essential to shop around and compare rates from different issuers. You should also read the terms and conditions carefully and look for any fees associated with the card. By understanding how credit card rates are calculated and considering all the factors that affect your rate, you can make informed decisions and get the best deal on your credit card. Best practices include making on-time payments, keeping your credit utilization ratio low, and monitoring your credit report regularly. By following these best practices and staying informed about current credit card rates, you can avoid high interest rates and make the most of your credit card.